Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. First is to go to their website, which is app.clickup.com. You can sign up using your email address to create an account. So once you're logged in, this would be the landing page. And for us to integrate, just go to your workspace, click on the settings, and here on the left side of the tabs you would see integration, so just click on that one, and app should be shown right here right away, but we're actually on the free trial, so just click on this button, and all of the apps that you can integrate will be shown right here. So let's select Microsoft Teams and then click on install. Once you click install, it would open up another window which would give you an option to get it now. So click on this button right here, and on this part you just need to sign in using your email address with Microsoft and you are good to go. There is actually another option for you to integrate, which is the Zapier.com. I just recently signed up to this one, so same thing. This one is very user friendly. Just sign in using your email address or any preferred email that you want. So once you're on this page, just click on create SAPs, and right here it would ask you for a name. So in this example, we're integrating ClickUp to Teams. So ClickUp to MS Teams. And here you would select a trigger. We're gonna select on ClickUp. And then it would ask you to choose an event, if it's going to be a new list, task, or anything that you wanted. So let's select new task and then click continue. And then it would actually ask you to sign in, so leave it that way for this time. We're going to select an action. This would be the MS Teams or the Microsoft. Okay, it's right here. Choose an event. So let's say create a channel. So that's very easy. That's the only thing that you need to fill out on this part. But before you select or click on sign in, make sure you put in your email address and you are good to go. But in this example, I didn't add an account yet, so you might want to add one. This is a free trial, that's why it's not allowing me to do so. Thank you guys for listening. If you found this video helpful, just simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helped me reach more people. See you soon.